Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We got some cases here for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. These cases are made by SUPCASE. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Now, as you can see, we have several cases here. These are the Unicorn Beetle, the UB style cases. All right, so I've seen these before. Pretty lightweight, pretty slim. And then these are the UB Pro, and it's got different colors for those. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take all of these out of the box and take a look at them. Okay, these cases are fairly new and they're not really even out on the site yet. Or Amazon definitely doesn't have them up yet, but so I got them a little early. Okay, so let's take a look at the UB style first. All right, now this is the navy one. Let's go ahead and pull this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've seen this before. You got the thank you card in there, and this is the navy. All right. You got your opening for your charging port, your speaker, and your mic right there. Nothing on this side, so looks like the button's going to be on this side. You got your power button, Bixby button, and your vibe down rocker right there. I think that's better on this side versus on the left like the Note. I prefer that. And then you got your mic hole up top. Here's your camera cutout right there. It's going to be nice and tapered. And you got that little insert right there, little light blue insert. I'm not really a fan of this color right here. It says navy, but it's very light. But it's a good case. It's going to give good protection, not too bulky. All right. Okay, so I unboxed the other two cases. This is the black one. You got the gray insert right there, same build, and this is the purple, the kind of lavender insert right there, and the lavender color on the outside right there, a little darker color. But these are the other colors right here. But these are the UB style, SUPCASE UB style for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now these the open military grade protection, drop protection, so it's going to be a good protection for your device. But I think they've always had good products, so it'll fit your phone nice and snug, and it'll look good, and it'll protect your device. All right. Okay, the next set of cases are the UB style, UB Pro style cases for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now these are a little bit bigger, a little bit more protection, and it's going to be a little more bulky. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. All right, so we're taking this out of the box. Now this comes with a, let me pull this out. So it has a holster and a case, as you can see. Now this is the black one right here, and you got a nice holster with it. Got an installation guide that'll tell you how to do that if you need to. But this has a kickstand you can utilize, and your volume down rocker button right there, power button, and you got your cover for your charging port, so that can come out. You can cover that up, no problem there. And you got your speaker and your mic right there. Nothing on this side. And you got your mic hole right there. Camera cutouts, well protected. You see that? It's pretty thick back there. But this looks pretty good. The kickstand is nice and sturdy, not flimsy. Now, this can go inside the holster, I think, both ways. You put it inside this way, and I think you can put it inside this way if you wanted to view some video. You can do that as well. So, it's pretty cool. Okay, you have a couple more cases here. This is the lavender, like lilac color there with the black. Doesn't look bad. I can work with that. Here's your kickstand there. Same setup, no problem there. And this is the blue and black. This looks really nice. It's got this kind of like a royal blue there, and it looks really good. Got the blue trim there on the inside. These are two-piece cases. You're going to take these apart right here at the corner, and then pull this front face out. When you do that, just kind of go around the device and get everything out. Just kind of pull it out like that, and then you can set the phone inside, and then place this back, this hardcover back on top of that. All right, TPU all around right here, nice and soft, sturdy though. And then you put this back in when you get done to cover the device, and you can just slip it in like that. Now there's no phone in here right now, so it's easier, but you just slip it in like that and make sure all the seams are covered on the sides. And this is the bottom here where the port's covered, and it's got a little blue trim down there as well. So it's a nice case. It's a solid case, going to give you good protection. Now, just to give you an idea of how large this phone will be, this is the S10 Plus, and this is a case for the S20 Plus. And look how much bigger that is. It fits right. See all that room it has in there? It fits right in there. So it's going to be a pretty large device, about the size of the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, because the Note 10 Plus doesn't quite fit in here. But that's how big the S20 Plus will be. Now, this case says the S11 Plus, and that could be the Ultra. But, you know, it's a little bit confusing this year, but we'll see. But it's going to be a big device, nevertheless. Okay, so that was a quick look at some cases from SUPCASE for the Galaxy S11, S20 Plus. They're just coming out, brand new cases. The phone's not even out yet. So these might be good cases for protection for your device. All of them offer military drop protection, all right? And I'll put some links up when I get them to the sites where you can purchase these when you get ready, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more footage like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.